Hey, hi. Today, we're going to answer one question. How frequently should you track your competitors? Well, the thing is, if you track them only once in a while, you'll try to make sense of several snapshots over time, but you'll have a very hard time understanding their whole marketing strategy. My main recommendation is really for your core competitors, the one that actually matters for you and your business, the ones that you know your audience know about already. For those ones, you should actually track them on a weekly basis. Why weekly? Because it's the best time frame to actually understand what are they doing regularly and what are their most recent shifts as well. What they're doing regularly, that's something that you should know about, because if they're doing it regularly and they're doing a good job, well, it makes sense. It should be working for them, so it's something that you might want to have a look at, and why not take it as an opportunity and do it for your own business as well. On the other side, the shifts that they're making, the different strategies that they're trying, the changes that they're making on their homepage, their hooks, on their ads, the different value propositions that they're using, a new bestseller that they're introducing in their advertising strategy or in their email marketing strategy. Those shifts, you want to know when they're happening instantly, because they're either discovered something that doesn't work, and that's something that you need to understand. And that could be, to be fairly honest, either an opportunity for you or something you want to avoid. But you want to know the changes that they're making as they're happening. And in the other side, those shifts are actually the insights that you can get on your competitors. Let me make that clear. Let's say that you have a competitor that is aggressively advertising a specific product of their catalog, a bestseller. At some point, they're changing, they're shifting, and they're using another product in their advertising. If you only look at this competitor once every 3 months, for instance, once per quarter, you might not notice the change at all. You might just think, hey, okay, Q1, they've been doing this, Q2, they're doing that, all right, fair. Why it might not be the case? Maybe during Q1, 2 months, they've been aggressively advertising on this product because it was seasonal or whatever the reason, and then they shift suddenly. And you need to see that shift happening to actually understand if it's an opportunity for you or if it's something that you should avoid as well. So my main recommendation as to the frequency of how much should you track your competitors is on a weekly basis. Thing is, tracking a competitor can take time. All right, you might want to track their emails, their ads, their landing pages, the changes that they're making on their website, the new keywords that they're ranking on SEO. Each thing takes a few minutes. Let's say 5 minutes for the emails, 5 minutes for the ads. Well, checking what the competitors have been up to this week might take 45 minutes total, just to collect the data. You're not even starting to analyze what's been happening there. Let's say that you have 10 competitors. Well, it's a few hours, almost a day per week that you would spend tracking what your competitors are doing. I have a solution for you. A solution that will help you track your competitors on autopilot and save you up to 20 hours a month. You won't have to track everything that they're doing manually for each brand every week, but the platform will gather the data for you automatically and make sense out of it for you, so you can only take the opportunities out of your competitor strategy. Let me show you how it works. And here we go. I haven't been lying, see? This is what your dashboard on Panoramata could look like. All right, on this account, I'm following 10, maybe 12 brands. And on this dashboard, I can see all my competitors' digital marketing updates in one place. All right, here I have a little summaries of what they've been up to recently, a table with all the most recent updates, a few statistics on who's been the most active on email, on ads, who's been sending the most optimized emails, which kind of ads. The most recent emails are here along with a few stats. And in a few seconds, I know exactly what they've been up to recently, and what they've been doing. And if you'd like to get a bit more detail, you can, of course. The first thing is you can access any brand page to understand what they've been doing since up to 3 years, actually. And clicking on your feed, you'll see all the updates in one place. Email, ads, SMS, and you'll get access to everything there. And if you want to have access only to the emails or the ads, you can click on a tab here as well. Cool thing is, if you see something interesting, you can click on the save button here and it will add it to one of your lists on Panoramata right away. It makes it so easy to track your competitors on a weekly basis. So actually, when something happens, when they're doing something, you can instantly know, so you can inform your own marketing strategy, improve your growth, and yeah, go beat them. Take care, speak soon, have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.